Alright, I've been sitting on this Prinsu Pro rack from my GX 460 now for 2 months because the weather here in Pennsylvania has not been kind with sunny days. Also, I'm going to be putting on the passenger side rear molly panel. I just got done installing the Nashfab company Lexus GX 460 side ladder, which looks really nice. I got to put some of my accessories on there. I have one foot peg, but I have to another one. I got to try to figure out how I want it. But yeah, let's get cracking on this. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and remove the top factory rail. The one over there is off because I just got done filming the video for the side ladder. Just pry these clips up, pull it off, and that's it. Same with this one and that one. Grab your Ugga Duggy. Make sure you're in reverse. Spin them all the way out. Let me see. And should lift right off. And it does. Clean up your channel. You don't want to be leaving that stuff in there. Alright, everything's prepped. So now I got my box of goodies. I'm going to go ahead and put these gaskets on here. These gasket washers. Kind of push those on like such. Actually, you know what? Should be able to put them down like that. Yeah. Get it started and use that to push it in. Get them to sit flat. And then do that for all the other ones. Okay, all the washers and the little supports are on. Now I just got to put the brackets on, fill it up with the silicone. And the brackets, from what I can see, go from looking at the front of the vehicle, 1, 2, 3, because they're all different size brackets, and they're numbered. I don't know if you can see that. 1, 2, and 3, and they're all different lengths. So we're going to go ahead and hand tighten these. Okay, brackets are in. Hand snugged. Now I'm going to put the side rail on. See how that goes. Try to do my best here. Okay, no bolts are in yet. Just got it resting there. I'm going to go ahead and put these side bolts in. Try to see if we can get a different view. Everything's loose, just tightening it up. Stand by. Okay, just hand tightened. I'm gonna go do the other side. So far so good, everything's lining up the way it should. Once we get the other side rail on, we'll get the other pieces on, and we'll get some of the crossbars on, and then I can square this thing up. Stand by. Okay, where we're at. Rails are installed, hand tight. I got the back insert pieces in, so you got to put a bar in there to secure them. So that's what we're going to do next. I'm going to throw a bar in there, get the bar in the middle, and get the front fairing on, and then we'll square this up and get it together. Stand by. Alright, got 2 crossbars on. Everything's still just hand tight. Putting the front wind deflector, the fairing together. I did put some Loctite on these. And when you slide these in, you kind of line them up, but you can just use your tool and kind of pull them backwards. This way you don't do anything tight. Just kind of line them up. Might need my pick for this one, so I'm just gonna grab a pick and I'll slide those over. Alright, deflectors together, put the wind strip on. Helps that this thing is hot. So probably don't want to do this during the winter time. This thing would probably have no give on it. There's a little piece of metal in here. Just trim your excess off. There you go. All right, all but one bar. I have to order another one from Prinsu because apparently either I didn't read what they include, but I'm short a bar because of the back. So, but put my GX off-road stickers on there. got those specifically for that. But yeah, we're gonna put Loctite on all these bolts, tighten it up. It's mostly square, so show you the end result. Okay, complete. Just missing a bar there, so I'm gonna order another one from Prinsu. Put the one here in the rear. But now I gotta do the next part and then put this molly panel on. And I wish I would have known that, because I would have put the brace in now. I just Loctited all these bolts, but I just did it, so I'll take it out. Stand by. All right, last part of the install for the Prinsu roof rack is the passenger side molly panel. Brackets on. I'm gonna go ahead and drop the panel on. And the finished product with the molly panel on.